So join our community and support your most valuable assets, your employees. Corporations will send an inspiring message to employees and to potential job candidates by supporting the Women's Advancement Compact workshops in professional development. Corporations support their female employees both personally and professionally by supporting WAC workshops addressing leadership skills, professional development skills, and family dynamics. And we know that a fully supported employee is a productive and engaged employee. Corporations can position themselves as industry leaders in corporate social responsibility and diverse leadership by supporting WAC programming that empowers and educates female leaders. By becoming a sponsor of the Women's Advancement Compact, a corporation is actually investing in its own future success.